So how to differentiate these three conditions which can present with vesicular-bullous lesions? Staphylococcal scarlet skin syndrome, it is going to be seen in the infants and in the children, whereas the rest of the two conditions, Pemphigus vulgaris and also the SJS and TN, they are seen in the adults. Mucosal involvement is absent in the staphylococcal scarlet skin syndrome. The reason is because in SSSS the exfoliating toxin is going to damage the desmoglein 1, whereas desmoglein 3 is absolutely untouched. It is not going to be affected, whereas mucosa has desmoglein 3. So mucosa will be spared in SSSS. Pemphigus vulgaris, the patients are going to have the anti-desmoglein 3 antibodies also, so mucosal involvement is seen. And of SJS and TN, it is a drug reaction where mucosal involvement is going to be very important and severe, forming hemorrhagic crust. Targetoid lesions are present in SJS and TN. So in this, remember, the target lesions are going to have 3 zones, but here there will be only 2 zones. The central pallor zone will be absent. Nikolsky sign is going to be absent in SJS and TN, but instead we are going to see the presence of the pseudo Nikolsky sign, which is due to the underlying necrosis. Nikolsky sign is due to the underlying acantholysis. Pseudo Nikolsky sign is due to the underlying necrosis. Remember, in both this, there is going to be peeling on tangential application of the pressure, but the difference is the underlying process. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please hit that like button and also do subscribe for more such videos on a regular basis. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Bye bye.